They're supposed to have quick sex dun sa loob ng box. Parang
No. It's what you call 7 minutes in heaven. So sa loob ng 7 minutes, ikukulong kayo dun. It's up to you what you do. It's up to you what you do in 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
At pumasok doon si Liza. Oo. So, yun nga, parang, kumbaga parang iba na yung ginagawa nila dito. Medyo may ganun ng level ng pagka-sensual. Ganun ba yung ginawa mo sa kanila?
Hindi po. I'd like you to watch it kasi it will spoil the surprise. But definitely, I will be one of the first person to stop them from doing such. Ayaw ko muna sana po. Masyado pang bata si Liza to be given roles like that. So I will not be the one to start it.
Yun nga.
I'd like the 3-year-old kids to be able to watch the film.
Yun nga siya.
Tsaka usually yung 7 minutes in heaven, pag high school times, usually mga kiss-kiss lang, mga kissing, hindi kiss-kissan. Kiss-kiss.
So ano to, high school ba nyo ito ginawa? Or
High school ba yun? Yan ang masaya. College. College. Pero,
Andali, tanong ko, mamaya ka na kita. Teka, direct. So, oo nga, tama. Kasi may mga yun nga ang concern ko. Parang may mga bata kasi silang talagang fans. So, pag nakita yung teaser, parang nasa loob sila ng box, nakahubad yung lalaki. Tapos, parang ang pina-appear ni Ken yata, may nangyayari dahil niyakap. Di ba parang bago buksan yung nakayakap si Liza at para silang intimate. So, ano yung gustong doon?
Ayoko lang sana ikwento po, Sir Alan, yung kwento. But it's an idea coming from Direct Dan Villegas. Thank you very much. Siya po ang nagkwento that they used to do it in college. So I got the idea. Sabi ko, gusto ko yan. So nilagay ko po. But trust us that, this is Liz Ken. And they're not yet ready for those kind of roles. These are just cutie patawa lang po.
Yes.
Opo.
Hindi pa laswa.
Ay, wala pa po tayong laswa. Tsaka na po.
Saka yung laswa.
I think that's one of the...
Don't you get to miss Kim Chu?